Pride theme today.
Oh,
This is Lauren?
Beautiful. I know.
Oh my
Isn't
God,
that like weird?
wow.
Teresa, oh my God. Oh my God, you guys all got so old. So what does that say about me?
You look wonderful. Thank you. I'm so glad you made it.
I wouldn't have missed it for the world.
This is
We
my...
have been planning on this forever since you told me we were supposed to stay. And everybody was like, well, we're not going to, no, we're going to Chicago.
This is my